The top technical skills to master in 2023. Technical skills. As technology continues to advance, having a strong understanding of programming languages such as Python and JavaScript and software development will be increasingly important for many jobs. This includes not only the ability to write code, but also the ability to understand and troubleshoot existing code, and to work effectively with other developers. Data analysis and visualization. With the explosion of data generated by businesses, governments, and individuals, the ability to effectively analyze and make sense of this data will be in high demand. This includes skills in data mining, statistics, and machine learning, as well as the ability to use tools like Excel and Tableau to visualize data in a way that is easy to understand. Digital marketing and social media. As more business is done online, the ability to effectively market products and services on the web and on social media platforms is becoming increasingly important. This includes skills in search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and social media management. Cloud computing and cybersecurity. As more companies move their operations and data to the cloud, the ability to work effectively with cloud-based platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud will be in high demand. Additionally, with the increased importance of data security and privacy, knowledge of cybersecurity and data protection will be vital. Communication and collaboration. With remote work becoming more common, the ability to communicate effectively and work collaboratively with team members in different locations is becoming increasingly important. This includes not only verbal and written communication skills, but also the ability to use digital tools like Zoom, Slack, and other collaboration platforms to stay connected and productive. Thanks for watching.